And staying on cricket, Jamaican all-rounder Chanel Henry is relishing the opportunity to serve as vice-captain of the West Indies women's team as the Caribbean women get set to face Sri Lanka in 6 games in Grenada starting on Friday. Henry will deputise to Captain Hayley Matthews, and the Jamaican says not much will change.
I mean, obviously, it's still pretty new. As you said, it's the first series that I'll actually, be, a part of, be in that role. So it still hasn't really changed much of anything. I still go about playing my game the same way. The preparation has been the same. So, getting that role doesn't really change who I am as a person or player. It's just about, I guess, just stepping into one more responsibility.
The series marks a crucial milestone in the team's bid to rise up the rankings during the current ICC Women's Championship as they build towards a future ODI series against Australia, Ireland, Zimbabwe and Pakistan later this year. The preparation period, however, is a short one as the players only joined camp this week.
Normally we would have a longer time, probably preparing for a series or whatever it might be. But this time it's a short turnaround with all the cricket. The girls have been playing regionals, just coming from the WPL. So it's a quick turnaround. So, I mean, the prep has been really good. We go in a couple of days' time. So, there's not much to fix, just to, I guess, sharpen up on some things and we're ready to go.
The tour starts with the one-day international series with games on Friday, Sunday and Tuesday, followed by 3 T20s starting February 28. Sri Lanka are ranked 6th in ODIs, while the West Indies are 9th.